What does this say? These top two messages. Based on radar trends.
They're gonna say based on radar.
Based on radar and quick look on the meteorological field downstream are becoming increasingly confident that convection in Montuage, Clay, White, Sac counties will be continued to hold together and move into corridor.
Yes, I-35 corridor.
Yeah. Yes. We're gonna go. Wow,
That's a nice base.
Yep, sorry. What's the other one? Denton and Cook counties will encounter at least local heavy rain and severe impacts.
Let's say radar indicates the place is now located about a mile or two northwest of Jacksonville.
Yes. Pretty good. See anything, Yari?
No.
We're gonna punch into this bitch.
It's going to be analyzing.
That's fine.
Home screen.
Back behind it. You see it right there on the right?
Yeah, I see it.
That's it. You see it, Lindsay? Yeah, you probably... Up here. We might need to flip around and go back. What do you say?